Shino Kids! 40 words starting with alphabet I. This is uppercase I. This is lowercase I. Sound of I is E. 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 Sound of I is E. 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 Now let's read some words. I eat. Injection. Injection. I eat. Infant. Infant. I eat. Insects. Insects. I eat. Instruments. Instruments. I eat. Indigo. Indigo. I eat. Ink. Ink. I eat. Inspector. Inspector. I eat. Iguana. Iguana. I eat. Itching. Itching. I eat. Igloo. Igloo. I eat. Infection. Infection. I eat. India. India. I eat. Internet. Internet. I eat. Images. Images. I eat. Ill. Ill. I eat. Inch tape. Inch tape. I eat. Inchworm. Inchworm. I eat. Infinity. Infinity. I eat. Injury. Injury. I eat. Invitation. Invitation. I eat. Inside. Inside. I eat. Inches. Inches. I eat. Important. Important. I eat. Inhaler. Inhaler. Kids, there is one more sound of I, that is I. Let's see some words with the sound I. I. Ice cream. Ice cream. I. Island. Island. I. Ice cube. Ice cube. I. Idol. Idol. I. Iron. Iron. I. Icicles. Icicles. I. iPad. iPad. I. Icons. Icons. I. Iris. Iris. I. Icebox. Icebox. I. Idea. Idea. I. Ivory. Ivory. I. Iceberg. Iceberg. I. Ivy. Ivy. I. iCard. iCard. I. Ice skating. Ice skating. Thank you kids. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.